Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to join a class in Khan Academy. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Khan Academy application. After you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now in this interface only, you'll be able to find the option for join class. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here, you'll be able to add the teacher. What you have to do is enter the class code, or you can also enter the teacher's email address over here. Simply enter the class code or teacher's email address. Now after you do that, what you have to do is tap on the add option that you can see on the screen. After that, the teacher will be added and you'll be able to join that particular class. So that is how you join a class in Khan Academy. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.